Hello dear students! I decided to start creating practical video course Visual Histology because you start to learn a new discipline. The creator of this course, Ms. Veronica Bocci. I am PhD, teacher of the Department of Histology, Cytology, Embryology of the Russian University of People's Friendship. And I will communicate with you in all video of my course. In this course, we will analyze the histological slides, which we will study in practice class, and of course you will meet at the final histology exam. The content of the video course corresponds to the Medical University program for students following specialties: general medicine, dentistry, and pediatrics. The course of structure corresponds to the plan of our department. Objectives of this course: teaching you to work with the light microscope and recognize histological slides, organization of independent work of students, and of course repeating of the material in process of preparation for the colloquium and exam. The uniqueness of my course is that all presented images, it's real photographs of real histological slides obtained from classroom microscopes that you work in each lessons. The piquancy of my course is a special section, which I called Walk on the Histoslide. This is interactive study of the slide. The statistics of video course is very simple. By how many views each video gets helps me to understand if this material is interesting for you or not. The number of likes indicates that you like the material, it's useful for your study, and I should continue the thematic content of the video course. Therefore, you can watch, evaluate, leave your comments, and like and subscribe to the channel if you want. At the final histology exam, you will protect practical skills. The examiner evaluates the following parameters: microscopy technique, the correctness of your handling of the microscope and histoslides, correct identification of histoslides name and stain, and the degree of your orientation in the structures of the histoslides. So now we will discuss external structure of the light microscope and algorithm light microscope technique, or microscopic rules. Before us is a binocular microscope. First of all, consider its outward appearance. Then give the correct name to all the elements of the microscope. You can see the microscope on the right, front, and left side. On the tripod of the microscope there is a power on/off key and screw regulator of the light intensity. The microscope has three parts: mechanical, optical, and lighting. You should study the elements of the microscope, the numbering of which will be consistent. Right view, ocular lens, eyepiece, tube, tube holder, tripod, base, revolver, objective lenses, slide holder, mechanical stage or slide table, stage control, screw, condenser, condenser position controller, lamp, macro screw or coarse adjustment knob or large knob, and micro screw or fine adjustment knob or small knob. We turn the microscope on the opposite side and repeat its elements. Left view, ocular lenses, tube, tube holder, tripod, base, revolver, objective lenses, slide holder, mechanical stage, stage control screw, condenser, lamp, micro screw or fine adjustment knob or small knob, power on/off, and light intensity screw. The optical part of the microscope consists of ocular lenses or oculars and objective lenses. The oculars in this case have a 10-fold increase or 10 times magnification, which is indicated on the corpus of each ocular. Look at first digit. The objective lenses differ in magnifying ability. The objective of small magnification is the shortest, has a red line on the corpus and 4 times magnification. A medium-sized objective has a yellow line and 10 times magnification. The objective of highest magnification is the longest, has a blue line on the corpus and 40 times magnification. If you know the magnifying power of all the lenses in microscope, you can easily calculate the total magnification of the microscope. You need to multiply the magnification of the ocular by the magnification of the using objective. So, our microscope has an optical system with a small or minimal magnification, it's 40 times, middle magnification, it's 100 times, and a highest or maximum magnification, it's 400 times. Now we discuss rules working with a light microscope. Before starting, place the microscope correctly with the tripod and oculars to yourself, while the condenser should be raised up and open diaphragm. Take a comfortable position at your desk. First of all, visually estimate the quality of the histological slide. Take a glass slide from a box and, in sufficient light, inspect it visually. It should be whole, without damage and cracks. The tissue section should be thin, contrast-stained, and without artifacts. Next, the slide is studied in order at small, middle, and high magnification using the corresponding objectives. Thus, the microscope is set up in 3 steps. Now, attention and remind please, to prevent breakage of the focusing screw, the rotation should be very slow. All stages of microscopy you should control visually, so you look not only through the oculars, but periodically look from the side and estimate visually the position of the objective relative to the glass slide. Remember, at small and middle magnification, we work with the macro screw, coarse adjustment knob or large knob. Step 1. Microscopy at low or small magnification. Turn the revolver until click. Set the objective lens of small magnification. Turn on the lamp and adjust the light intensity. Replace the histological slide with the cover glass up. Above the hole in the stage, the initial distance from the objective to the slide is approximately half a centimeter. Using the screws of the stage, but never with your fingers, place the tissue slice strictly under the objective. Looking into the ocular, slowly rotating the macro screw, coarse adjustment knob, and gradually moving away from the glass slide, get a clear and focused image. In this case, the focal distance from the lens to the slide will be about 1 centimeter. After carefully studying this section, select a site for the next study at middle magnification. Step 2. Microscopy at middle magnification. With the revolver, set the objective of middle magnification. Don't change the position of the stage. Looking into the ocular and gently rotating the macro screw, get a clear and focused image. After studying this section, select a site for the next study at large magnification. Now attention and remind. At high magnification, we work with a micro screw, fine adjustment knob or small knob. In this case, the total rotation of the micro screw should be half a revolution forward or backward. Continuous rotation of micro screw is not permissible. And finally, step 3. Microscopy at high magnification. Don't change the position of the stage, only with the revolver. Set the objective of large magnification. Gently and carefully, turning the micro screw or fine adjustment knob, get a clear and focused image. After finishing work, with the revolver to return the lens of small magnification, lift the tube holder and condenser, remove the slide and put it in the box. Turn off the microscope and cover it. If you can't set up a microscope, you should return at first step and repeat again. Now I suggest you see how it's possible in practice using this algorithm, how you can easily and quickly set up a microscope and diagnose the slide frog blood smear. Take the slide from special box. Visually evaluate its quality and the location of the cover glass. Verify archives labels. Step 1. Always start with a small magnification objectives lens. Replace the slide on the microscope stage with the cover glass up under the small magnification objective lens. Looking through the ocular and working with the Microscope. Coarse adjustment knob. Adjust the clear and focus image. Evaluate image quality. Step 2. With the revolver, set the objective lens of middle magnification. Looking through the ocular and working with the Microscope. Adjust the clear and focus image. And again, we evaluate its quality. Now we'll select a site for the next study at large magnification, for example this one. Step 3. With revolver, set the objective of high magnification. Looking through the ocular and working with the Microscope, find adjustment knob. We get a focus image with a short movement and evaluate the result. Make more or clear image. After finishing work, with the revolver, to return the lens of the small magnification, reduce the light intensity, turn off the microscope, remove the slide and put it into the box. Cover the microscope. Well, we discussed in detail the external structure of the light microscope and the algorithm working with it. I hope this video helps you learn this process faster. Therefore, you can see, learn, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your attention.